G'day guys, I'm Roman and I'm an Aussie that's recently left Australia to move to Malaysia. And tonight I want to take you to Bukit Bintang night version because I already did one during the day. So we're gonna go grab some food, look at some street food, go visit. We're at Jalan Alor. Is that right? I keep fucking messing. One of those things I always struggle saying this. So we're here with the street food, so we're gonna go have a look and see what's around here. So I'm gonna see if I can be brave tonight and try some durian. This is like a popular place here, it's pretty big. But I heard from a taxi driver here, from a local, he was saying these are more from Thailand, these ones here. And he recommends to try obviously the Malaysian ones, so I won't try it here. Once we go for a walk somewhere around there, once we have a little bit of a try of other foods, I'll have durian as my dessert and see how it actually tastes. So this is just the start at the bottom of the street, so there's a little bit of shopping here. And as you go up, there's more and more street food. What have we got here? We've got kebabs cooking up there. We've got fish, oysters. Shit smells amazing. It's a little bit of chicken, some spiciness. It looked amazing. It smelled amazing because it reminded me of the smell in Kazakhstan. They also kind of have these shish kebabs kind of things, and they're delicious. So, oh yeah, that was so good. I want to try a few little things tonight. I haven't like explored a lot of these more little things, so I'm going to give them a go and see how they're like. Amazing. So crazy here. How colourful is it? It looks so good. You want to try that?
No, of course.
Hey?
No.
Come on.
Don't you not want to?
Hey?
No, of course.
How much is it for one?
20.
Yeah, I'll grab one. That's pretty sure that's Octopus. You want to have some?
The smell is nice. I will try with you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you so much. Oh, let's give it a go. Oh yeah, oh, good. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, I didn't expect to have an audience here tonight. I've got Ran here in Mood. I met him tonight. I didn't expect everyone to come, so I was like, what's going on? So I feel all over the place, but we'll see how we go. Oh, it looks so good. We gotta have some of this. They're like little crayfish. You gonna have some crayfish? In your face. I just want to eat everything here. How do you have it all? Is there durian here? No durian? So try that.
Hello. You want glove?
No, it's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Come on. Who's gonna have some with me?
No.
What do you mean?
How is it?
It's interesting. It's not my favourite, I've got to say. Well, at least I've had it. Finally, I've been here for a month and I've had it. And it's actually, yeah, I was scared of it, but yeah, it's alright. It's alright. So we're going to go down to the pavilion now. There'll be some street performances along the way, so this is a really nice walk too. So we'll go for a walk there, go to the pavilion, and then we'll keep walking to the bars. Let's go! Oh, 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 hey, hey, oh, oh, oh. Hey! Ah! So we're heading to the pavilion, right? So now we're just going to walk along here and take you to pavilion, and it's really cool because the Macca's is there again, and we'll show you there. Let's go. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Where are you from?
Australia, Melbourne.
Australia.
Ah, very nice to meet you, sir. Very nice to meet you. Ah, it's not gonna kill me?
No. Okay, only you?
Yeah, just me.
How do you feel?
Okay at the moment.
Oh, yeah, camera? Yeah. You are. You can touch to it. Yes. Oh, like a baby.
Like a baby, oh my god. Oh my god, that's crazy. Kiss? Oh, I'm shitting myself now.
Very cool. Very cool. Come on.
I really like this here. It's such a cool spot. And then we're gonna go down to Pavilion, which is down that way. Good, man. He looks fucking sick.
A mental health patient.
Yeah,
And this is my
wow.
official mental health card. So if you can support me and my mental health journey, I'm happy to take a photo. It's only 10 ringgit, sir.
10 ringgit? Yeah, of course, man. Of course, man. That's awesome what you're doing, man.
Appreciate
I'm
it.
all about that as well. So here we are at the pavilion. But I'm surprised it's not that busy tonight. It's Sunday. I thought it would be really, really busy, but it's still pretty quiet. So you can see the difference at night, how beautiful it is. And usually it's chockers. There's a lot of people here, but it's actually pretty quiet tonight, which is nice. We can go for a walk and have a look at it. Yeah, as you can see, it's very different at night here than what it was when we were here during the day. So it's really, really nice. So we'll go for a quick walk. Right, so now we're heading to Changkat, which is a really popular area with all the bars and clubs. So we're gonna go have a look there, and hopefully it's a little bit more busy, but it's strange how quiet it is. So hopefully it's packed there, because it usually is, and it's really popular with all, especially the tourists. They go there, and so we'll go there and have a look. All right, here we are. We made it. We made it safe and well. We're gonna go for a walk up and down, and yeah, we'll show you the streets, the bars, some of the clubs, and yeah, should be good fun. Let's go. hope you enjoyed tonight of me showing around Bukit Bintang. I know it wasn't perfect. To be honest, I was a little bit stressed at the start and it felt a little bit strange, but I think we got there in the end. We had an amazing night and we actually celebrated a little bit tonight, so I've just came out to do this final piece. We're celebrating hitting 200 subscribers, over 3,000 views on my first video, so it feels really good. So we decided to celebrate a little bit, enjoy tonight. It wasn't planned, but it feels really good to celebrate with the team and to have some friends here. So thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the like button, leave a comment. I love hearing from you. Honestly, it's been overwhelming what the first video did, and to hear your stories and your welcomes is so appreciated. So thank you so much. I look forward to continue making these videos, getting better at them. So thank you, and take care.